This video will introduce the operation, setting methods, and installation methods of the Coolschmax RC880. We recommend that you watch this video in its entirety before using the product. For users with some experience, to save you time, you can jump directly to the content you need according to the table of contents on this page. Before use, please check that all accessories are included. If anything is missing, please contact us using the information provided in the manual. Next, we will introduce the specific functions of the BTT type/stop button. Tap the BTT type/stop button to switch in the submenu and select different battery types or settings. Tap the BTT type/stop button to return to the previous page in the submenu. Tap the BTT type/stop button to stop charging/discharging. Next, we will introduce the specific functions of the deck/ink left and right buttons. During parameter setting, tap the deck or ink button to decrease or increase the parameter. Press the deck or ink button to turn pages left or right within the submenu. Next, we will introduce the specific functions of the Start/Enter button. Tap the Start/Enter to set parameters. Tap the Start/Enter to confirm the set parameters. After the required parameters are set, hold the Start/Enter to confirm and start charging. Below, we will proceed with the wiring instructions. Please ensure that the power adapter and power socket are safely connected. The two sockets on the right are XT60 and balance connectors, respectively. We will use a standard LiPo battery as an example for the wiring instructions. First, plug in the XT60 connector. Locate the position with the negative- symbol, mark and connect the negative wire accordingly. Wiring completed. Next, we will introduce the several options in the main menu. This is the Lithium battery display interface. This is the NMH and NICD battery display interface. This is the lead acid battery display interface. This is the display interface for extra functions, including the lithium polymer tester, the lithium polymer internal resistance tester and balance section, as well as some other user setting functions. The following presents the functional mode interface of the RC880. In the main menu interface, select the lithium battery charging option. There are several different mode options available within. 1. BAL/CHG, balanced charging. 2. DCHG, discharge functio. 3. Storage function. 4. Charge, standard charging function. The following will provide a detailed introduction to the operation and precautions for each of the above functions. This section focuses primarily on the balance charging, standard charging, and discharging operations for lithium batteries. The nickel metal hydride and lead acid modes are provided for reference only. Please refer to the user manual for detailed parameter settings. The following section introduces the balance charging and discharging functions. Before use, ensure that both the balance charge/discharge port and the XT60 connector are properly connected. Once the balance connector is plugged in, the cell count is automatically detected, no need for manual configuration. Assume the battery capacity is 1500 mAh. Select a charging current between 2 A and 5 A. Tap Start/Enter button to confirm the settings, and hold Start/Enter button to begin charging. Charged mAh/battery capacity, charging duration. During balance charging, the voltage of each cell can be monitored. Tap the ink/ button, and the screen will sequentially display the voltage of each cell. The following introduces the charge and discharge function of lithium batteries. We will use a 3 series battery as an example to explain the settings. The normal charge cannot automatically detect the number of cells, so we need to manually set it to 3 cells. Ensure that the set cell count exactly matches the battery specifications. Next, set the battery capacity. We need to set it according to the specific capacity of the battery. The capacity of this battery pack is 1500 mAh, so we set it to 1500 mAh according to its actual capacity. Next, set the charging current. we can choose any value within the range up to 5 amperes. After the parameters are set, press and hold the Start/Enter button, then tap the Start/Enter button to begin charging. Charging in progress. Next, we will introduce the discharge function of lithium batteries. Enter the discharge mode interface. Then, tap the Start/Enter to select the discharge current. For example, this time we set it to 1.5 amperes. Tap to select the battery cell count. This battery is 3S, so we can directly set it to 3S. Hold the Start/Enter to start charging. Discharging. Next, we will introduce the storage function. The storage function means that the battery needs to be kept at an optimal percentage for hold storage. In this case, the RC880 is required to charge or discharge the battery to an appropriate capacity percentage. The setting method is as follows. Tap the Start/Enter, and set according to the actual number of battery cells. Tap the Start/Enter, and set according to the actual capacity. Tap the Start/Enter to set the charge/discharge current. Hold the Start/Enter to start. The battery is automatically charging or discharging until the capacity reaches the storage mode value we set. Next, we will introduce the extra functions. First, a lithium battery tester can measure the status of the battery. We enter the extra function option on the main interface. Tap the Start/Enter to enter battery status. Our battery type is LiPo. Use the deck/ink to turn pages and select LiPo. Hold the Start/Enter to enter. At this time, the screen displays the battery's voltage and capacity, state of charge. Tap the ink, and it will display the value of each cell. That's all about the lithium battery tester function. Next, we will introduce the lithium battery internal resistance tester function. Tap the Start/Enter to enter the tester function. Select the battery IR function. Tap the Start/Enter to enter the settings. At this time, the RC880 will automatically test the internal resistance of each cell. From cell 1 to cell 3, the display shows the corresponding internal resistance values of each cell. Next, we will introduce the lithium battery active balance function. Enter the extra function interface, then select the 6th balance option, and short press the Start/Enter button to enter. Tap the Start/Enter to select the battery. The demonstration battery is a LiPo. Directly select the corresponding battery. The balance function has started, and the battery is being balanced. If you need to stop midway, simply press the stop button again to exit.